In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple things in Canva. Being able to select several items at once is a huge time saver. It lets you move, resize, and style elements consistently without repeating the same change over and over. Start by opening your project in Canva, then navigate to the specific page that contains the items you want to work with. Take a moment to scan the canvas so you know exactly which elements you want. It often helps to zoom in a bit for precision, especially when items are close together. Now, here's the simple technique. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding it, left-click each element you want to include. Every time you shift-click an element, it's added to your selection. You'll see each selected item show a highlight or bounding box so you can visually confirm you've grabbed the right ones. If you click the wrong thing, keep holding Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. If you lose the selection by mistake, just repeat the Shift clicks to build it back up. This method works the same for text boxes, shapes, photos, icons, pretty much anything that can be clicked on the canvas. If something refuses to select, it may be locked or behind another item. That's normal, and you can adjust once you've confirmed what needs to be included. Once you have everything selected, you can edit them all at the same time. If your selection is made up of text boxes, change the font family, size, color, or capitalization, and the update will apply across all of them instantly. This is perfect for keeping headings and labels consistent in a single pass. If your selection includes a mix of objects, you can still move them together, rotate them, or resize them as a group, which helps maintain spacing and layout. Use your arrow keys to nudge the whole selection precisely, or drag from a corner handle to scale proportionally. Before you wrap up, do a quick visual check. Make sure every intended element shows a selection outline and that no extra items are included. When you're happy, make your edits, and watch everything update in sync. That's all there is to it. Go to your project and page, hold Shift, left-click the items you want, and then edit them simultaneously for clean, consistent results.